Thank you, Oliver, and good morning. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the big moment has finally come. We are launching the BMW iX3, very first car of the Neue Klasse. And as Oliver mentioned, we have been working on this for the past 4 years. And with the Neue Klasse, we are taking very big steps in technology. And these bigger steps in technology can only become meaningful hand in hand with big steps in design. The BMW iX3 has a much bigger range, helped by a very clean shape with excellent aerodynamics. In the interior, you will find a new display concept that allowed us to clean up the dashboard and completely redefine the driving experience. But let's look at the exterior design first. We have typical solid BMW SAV proportions with a lot of presence and emphasis on all 4 wheels. The surfaces are very clean with only a few precise lines. The front end shows a new interpretation of the BMW typical face, in which we replace chrome with lime. Vertically oriented kidneys match the more upright overall appearance of our SAV. And this new line signature is part of the daytime running light, and it will make the new iX3 very recognizable by day and by night. Overall, the car has a very solid stance and strong shoulders, and in the rear, again, a new line signature that emphasizes the width of the car. Now in the interior, you will find that the driving experience is and will remain our focus, putting the driver at ease and in control. The key element to this is our all-new BMW panoramic vision, which projects in the bottom of the windscreen and builds upon our years of experience with head-up displays. This new display is visible for all passengers on board and will allow you to quickly check the information you want and need while keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road ahead. Together with our new free-cut central display and iconic steering wheel, these elements are the cornerstones of our new panoramic iDrive system. A whole new driving experience that you will find in all our future BMW models from now on. This new user experience already starts when you approach the car and continues as you get in and set the car up to your personal preference. With My Modes, you can do that very easily and select a perfectly curated driving experience from screen content to colors to light and sound and even the driving characteristics. So, our new operating system X focuses on the best driving experience, but will also allow you a much higher level of personalization, making your new BMW truly yours. Overall, the new digital aspects of our cars will make them more intelligent and easier to use. At the same time, this has allowed us to design much cleaner and warmer interiors, creating very personal living environments on 4 wheels. The interior trim that you see here, digital white, is spacious and modern. But what about other options? Let's have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, we have curated various interior trims with a lot of attention to detail, giving each trim a unique and distinctive character. And these trims can be combined with a wide variety of exterior colors, giving our customers plenty of choice in a few easy steps. So starting with the BMW iX3, we are introducing a new form language that will lead to a new look and feel for the entire BMW brand. Our designs will be very clean and at the same time very strong in character. But above all, more BMW than ever before. Thank you very much.